welcome, one and all, to Sonic Boom 2011! Yeah! I look out right now and I am seeing a sea of blue hats, and I cannot tell you just how happy that makes the Sonic fan in me right now. Thank you guys for coming out tonight. We've got a lot of very special things, and some of them you might not have heard of yet, so some of these are going to be surprises. Now, I just want to say once more, thanks for coming out, guys, to celebrate with us Sonic's 20th anniversary this year. 20 years. Can you guys believe that? It's still going strong. Now, right now, in fact, if you guys could, come up, gather around here, because we're about to have a very musical performance in about 10 or 15 minutes. You guys, there's this one band that they do Sonic music now and then. I think they're called, what was it, Crush 40? Oh yeah, that's the one, that's the one. So, in addition to that, we have some very special guests. Have you guys been playing Generations? Yeah! Now then, what did you think of Generations? It's awesome! Release it now, they say. That's what we like to hear. All right. Well, before we go any further, guys, tonight I'm about to introduce to you two of our very special guests. We have, about to come to the stage here, one of our directors of Sonic Team and the director of Sonic Generations. Please welcome to the stage Iizuka-san and Miyamoto-san.
Hello. I'm not a good English speaker, but I try to speak in English. So, thank you for coming this party. I'm Takashi Iizuka, producer of Sonic Generation and Sonic many other titles. I very appreciate for supporting Sonic the Hedgehog for 20 years. So this event for enjoy for your with me. So please celebrate for Sonic's birthday. As Aaron said, so we have many fun things to do. We have a live stage event and we have a game competition. So we have many things to do. So please enjoy. So then we introduce the director of the Sonic Generations, Hiroshi Miyamoto.
Hi, I'm not good English speaker too, but I want to speak in my word. Let me introduce about Sonic Generations. Sonic Generation is a game that you can play both classic Sonic and modern Sonic. I believe that this is a game that all of you are waiting for. And we packed 20 years worth of fun in this game, so please enjoy it and looking forward to this game. Thank you.
We've got a lot of things to do, and if you guys haven't heard yet, there's actually a video booth where you can record a message to Sonic, and we're going to take those videos and we're going to make you guys famous on the internet. How's that sound? Alright, now if you want to get part of your face and your message in that video, you need to go right out the doors that I'm pointing out there. It's the right side, everyone turns around. Perfect. Those are the doors. It's right past those, and on your right you'll see it. There's also a time attack competition. How many of you guys think you are the fastest Sonic player in this room? Maybe. I see about 35 hands. That's good. Alright. So you guys are going to be going right over there to the time attack area, where our friend Brad Quick from Sonic Stadium and Sonic Retro, some of you guys might have heard of.
Oh yeah, of course.
He is going to be helping you out and taking down the 3 fastest times, and the 3 best of you will be performing to see which one of you gets crowned the fastest Sonic Generations player here in Sonic Boom 2011. So, I would like to welcome to the stage one of the men that has been with Sonic Team now for a very, very long time. And I first met him and he said, you know, I've been with Sonic Team now for over 15 years. And I looked at him and I said, June, that's a really long time. June looked back at me and he smiled and said, yes, I know. And that was it. Please welcome to the stage, everybody, Jun Sonoe. One of the
Where is it